Hello everyone, welcome to Madison College. In this video, you will learn how to create your student account at Madison College. The first step is to go to the Madison College website, madisoncollege.edu. From there, at the top of the page, click on Current Students, then click on Register for Classes. Here is where you will find the Create an Account button. Not sure if you already have an account with Madison College? Start with Find Username and use one of the 4 easy search options. This prevents double accounts that confuse students and cause issues with transcripts. When you're filling in the Find Username form, please make sure you're using your full name. For example, if your name is Steven but you go by Steve, write Steven in the form. Click Search. If you have an account, we'll send you an email with your username so you can log in or reset your password. If no record was found, you can choose to create an account. This will take you to Student Account Setup page. Please make sure you're filling out everything accurately and correctly, as it is difficult to change things later. Use proper capitalization and punctuation. On the first page, enter your date of birth, official name, and email address. We suggest that you use your personal email address, not a school email address. While your social security number is not required, it is helpful if you are receiving financial aid or intending to file for a tuition tax credit. Click Next. On the second page, fill in your contact information, mailing address, phone number, and residency information. Residency is about where you live, and not necessarily where you go to school. Please answer that question based on where you live. The final page will ask you several questions that are required by the state of Wisconsin. Once you're done filling out the form, hit Create Account. An email will be sent to the email address provided. Use the information in this email to create your password and set your challenge questions. Please make sure that you write this information down. It is your responsibility to know your student ID, username, and password. You will need this information to access your Madison College account and services. Thank you for creating an account with Madison College. We wish you good luck with your classes this year.